Hi all, welcome back. So today's discussion is all about important questions from the topic reasoning. These questions are all previous year questions. So listen. Okay. So let's start our discussion. Question number 1. So question number 1, complete the series 5, 4, 6, 15, 56. Okay. So we have to find this number. Okay, we have to find this number, missing number. So what is the relationship between 5 and 4? It is 5 minus 1 is 4, right? Again 4 plus 2 is 6, right? Okay, 4 plus 2 is 6, or we can write 4 into 2 is equal to 8 minus 2 is also 6, right? There are two possibilities. Okay, 5 minus 1 is 4, that is clear. Then second is, what is the relationship between 4 and 6? 4 plus 2 is 6, or 4 into 2 is equal to 8 minus 2. That is 4 into 2 minus 2 is 6, right? Next, 6 into 2 is what? 12. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. There is a possibility. Or 6 into 3 is equal to 18 minus 3 is also 15. Okay, there are two possibilities. 6 into 2 is equal to 12 plus 3 is equal to 15, or 6 into 3 is equal to 18 minus 3 is also 15. Okay, so let us check out the common sequence that is followed. Clear? So here 5 minus 1 can be written as 5 into 1 minus 1. Okay, that is equal to 4. Clear? Like that, 4 into 2 minus 2 is equal to what? 6. This is our third number. This is our second number. So this follows a particular sequence, right? Particular form of calculating the corresponding numbers. So this is not the form. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 is not our concern. Okay, so this is our second method, is our solution, or our sequence to be followed, right? So what about the third number? 6 into 3 minus 3 is equal to what? 15. So what about the next number? 15 into 4 minus 4. What is 15 into 4? It is 60. Okay, 60 minus 4 is 56. Is it correct? Yes. Okay, so what about the next number? We have to find 56 into, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 56 into 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So 56 into 5 minus 5. So what is 56 into 5? It is 280 minus 5. That is equal to 275. So option B is our correct answer. Is it clear? The pattern here followed is 5 into 1 minus 1. The next number into 2 minus 2. The next number into 3 minus 3, and follows. Clear? So here 56 into 5 minus 5 is equal to 275. It is our missing number. Hence we completed the series. So our answer is option B, 275. Is it clear? Okay, next question. If $4 hash 2 is equal to 8, $3 hash 2 is equal to 12, then $7 hash 3 is equal to what? This is the question. So we have to find the values for dollar and hash. That is correctly going in these two equations. Okay, the corresponding two equation we have given. So we have to find the value of dollar and hash, so that these equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2 follows. Hence, we will find the third equation also. Is it clear? So, let us first consider dollar is equal to plus and hash is equal to minus. Okay, so 4 plus equation number 1, 4 plus 4 minus 2. What is the answer? 4 plus 4. If dollar is plus and hash is minus, the equation number 1 becomes 4 plus 4 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. That is not equal to 8. So that does not follows. Okay. So we have to consider the other values for dollar and hash. Okay. So let us consider dollar is equal to multiplication and hash is equal to division. Okay. So equation number 1 becomes 4 into 4 division 2. Okay. So 4 into 4 divided by 2 is 2. That is equal to 8. So the condition follows. Okay. So we can fix that dollar is equal to multiplication symbol and hash represents division. Is it clear? So now we have to apply this value of dollar is equal to multiplication and hash is equal to division in equation number 2. We have to find whether that equation also follows. Okay. So 3 into 8 division 2. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Hence, equation number 2 also follows with these values. Okay. Therefore, we have to find the answer of $7.6#3. Okay. So 7 into 6 division 3 is equal to 7 into 2. That is equal to 14. So option C, 14 is our correct answer. Is that clear? Okay. So next question, question number 3. Find the odd one out from the given options. Okay. So we have 695, 489, 395 and 885. From looking at the option itself, we can find the answer, right? So all are the multiples of 5 since the last number is 5. Okay. All are divisible by 5, right? So 695, 395 and 885 are divisible by 5, whereas 489 is not divisible by 5. So moving on to the next question, question number 4. So complete the series. Our fourth question is complete the series BB, OD, OG, KL. Okay. So option A SS, option B AG, option C LO and option D VD. Is it clear? So let us consider the first letter of each term. Okay. So first letter of each term is B, O, O, K. What is this? These letter combined to form a meaningful word, right? It is book. Okay. So by adding, let us consider the options. Okay. So by adding option A to this, that is the first letter of option A, it become books, right? So it may be the answer. Okay. So considering option B, it is A. So BOOKA. It is not a meaningful word. So option B is not our answer. Consider option C, BOOKL. This is not an meaningful word. Again, this is not our answer. Okay, so consider option D, BOOKV. Okay, this is the first letter of the term VD. So BOOKV. This is also not a meaningful word. Okay, so our answer may be what? Option A. Okay, since it forms a meaningful word, right? So before confirming that, we have to consider the second letter of each term. Okay, we have to consider the second letter of each term and then have to fix the options, correct answer. Okay, so second letter of each term is B, D, G, L. This is not the meaningful word, right? B, D, G, L is not at all a meaningful word, right? So let us consider the corresponding numbers of each letter. Okay, what is the corresponding number of B? It is 12. Corresponding number of D is 4. Corresponding number of G is 7, and for L it is 12. Okay, so let us find out the relationship between these numbers first. Okay, so what is the difference between 4 and 2? It is 2. Okay, 7 and 4 is 7 minus 4 is 3. 12 minus 7 is what? 5. Okay, 4 minus 2 is 2, 7 minus 4 is 3, and 12 minus 7 is 5. So this is not an even number series. 2, 3, 5 is not an even number series, nor the odd number series. Then what is this series called? It is called the prime number series. Prime number series. So according to the prime numbers, what will be the next number after 5? What is the next prime number after 5? It is 7. Okay, so let us calculate the next number. Okay, so 12 plus 7 is 19, and the corresponding alphabet of 19 is S. So our answer will be S. Option A is our correct answer. We can confirm that option A is our correct answer. So here is the explanation for that. Read it out. Okay, so next question number 5. So question number 5, Raja is 3 times as old as Arun. 3 years ago, he was 4 times as old as Arun. How old is Raja now? Okay, so this is the question. So we have to find the age of Raja, present age of Raja. Okay, so that consider present age of Arun is X. Okay, we know that Raja is 3 times as old as Arun. So if the present age of Arun is X, then the present age of Raja is 3 into X, that is 3X. Okay, so this is the present age of Raja and Arun. Okay, 3 years ago. Okay, so we have to consider the age of Raja and Arun 3 years ago next. Okay, so presently the age of Arun is X. So 3 years ago the age of Arun is X minus 3. Then what about the age of Raja? 3X minus 3. Since it is 3 years ago, we have to subtract the present age to minus 3. Okay, subtract minus 3 from the present age. Is it clear? If it is 4 years ago, it is 3x minus 4 and x minus 4. If it is 5 years ago or 10 years ago, it is 3x minus 10 and x minus 10. Okay, so this value is based on the years ago concept, right? So here it is 3 years ago. So 3x minus 3 and x minus 3. Okay, then he was 4 times as old as Arun. So Raja was 4 times as old as Arun 3 years ago. Okay, 3 years ago he was 4 times as old as Arun. So Raja is 4 times as old as Arun 3 years ago. Okay, so now we have to find the value of X. Okay, so our question is how old is Raja? So we have to find 3 into X, that is a percentage of Raja. Is it clear? Okay, now we have to find the value of X. Okay, so value of X is 3x minus 3, 4x minus 12. Okay, so 12 minus 12 to left hand side, we will get 12 minus 3 is equal to 4x minus 3x. Therefore, x equal to 9. Therefore, we got the value of x. Okay, our question is how old is Raja now? The present age of Raja is 3x. So how old is Raja now? 3 into x. That is equal to 3 into 9. That is equal to what? 27. So option D is our correct answer. Is that clear? Yes. So this is the important 5 questions from the topic reasoning. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.